Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures. Today I'm back at my aunt's house and I'm patiently waiting for the new owner of my Subaru Outback Wilderness to come to finish up a project that I couldn't finish while I had her. And that is the new skid plate for the aFe powered Terra bumper. And I haven't seen Megan, my Subaru, in a while, so I'm kind of really excited. And the new owner told me he PPF'd the whole car matte finish, so I can't wait to see her again. And it feels like a reunion with the ex-girlfriend. But anyways, she should be here any minute. All right, there she is. My Megan. 10 zoom. Oh, he didn't. Oh, he PPF'd only the side of the car. Still looking good. Yeah, there she is. So as I mentioned, this is going to be a short update on the new engine skid plate for the aFe Terra bumper. But first, let's admire Megan's new look just for a while. She looks amazing with that matte PPF. Anyways, so if you've been following my channel, after I put the aFe Terra bumper, I said I wish the skid plate was bigger to protect the engine. And aFe Power actually heard me and made a bigger skid plate that covers the engine, and it finally arrived. This is very thick, heavy-duty aluminum skid plate, and it looks like it's going to withstand a lot of abuse. And by the looks of it, this should be very quick and easy addition to Terra bumper. So let's install them on the Subaru Outback Wilderness. So first, put the car on the ramp for easy access to the underside. And with the 14mm socket, remove 4 gusset plate bolts. After removing the bolts, install the aFe spacers using the included long M10 flange bolt and tighten them. Now, loosen the current front skid plate bolts. Slide the new engine skid plate between the front skid plate and the bumper cross member. Once it's seated in the correct position, secure the rear with the included head bolt and large washer. And fully tighten all the bolts. And that's it. And now engine is well protected from all the rocks and harsh elements you're going to run into while off-roading. They also sent me the light extension brackets so that when you mount a winch on the bumper guard, you could still put big lights on the bottom side of the bumper guard. Very nice. And they also make some awesome rock sliders along with lift kit, exhaust system, and cold air intake system for the Outback, so make sure to check them out. So big shout out to aFe Power for listening to our feedbacks and improving their products. Thank you aFe Power, we really appreciate you guys. And this will conclude installing the engine skid plate, and it's probably going to be the last time I get to see Megan. But I know she's in good hands, possibly better than mine, so goodbye my love. And thank you everyone for tuning in today, and as always, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all on my next video.